Yeah, so I think the gold market's getting a little bit tired. You do have this support line, so we could pull back. I can see us pulling back into this area here, 1700 area. Maybe if DXY really takes off, pull back to the 1640, but first pit stop would be 1715 to 1700 before we potentially roll over further. And then you get your big explosive up moving gold. I don't see us taking off in gold unless the dollar really tanks and I don't see that happening either. But it's not an easy call. It's not, because you also have things like this 4-hour where it actually broke out and it looks like it wants to push higher here up into this 1800 area. So mixed signals based on the time frame I'm looking at, unfortunately, which is kind of what seems like the name of the game is in this market right now.
Well,
Just mixed
so
signals across the board.
perfect. That's perfect for your analysis, because if you pull up that gold seasonality chart that I posted in the lounge, then what you see is we have typically a window. It's about the first or second week of December. Alan Greenspan once famously used an expression, irrational exuberance, which sort of described kind of investor over enthusiasm heading into December. And usually the market needs to pull back the first or second week of December. So that would be perfect for your, yeah, there you go. So you see that little pullback there, the first, second
Yeah,
week
look
of
at that.
December. So
Yeah.
as soon as you get any
Yeah.
kind of W's, and my hunch is that our signaling system will start spitting out buy signals in gold stocks.
Yeah, probably.
You see that little, in fact, exactly where your mouse is. You see how there's a little W right there?
Yeah.
Right. As soon as you get that W signal, that's your time. And then look, right? You see what happens the remainder of December. And then look what happens into January, into middle of February.
Yeah, it just takes off. Boom.
Yeah. So that's your rally window
Shoot.
that you were saying. You're it. And I remember in years gone by, you've done really, really well in the gold market at the beginning of the year. I've seen you do it like a few years now.
Yeah, I've done
So,
it 2 or 3 times.
yeah.
Those are
So if
my best
anything,
portfolio gains.
here comes another big fat gold seasonal trade here, folks.
All right. Time
Somebody,
to go 100K to 1,000,000. Let's do it.
it could be, it could be. Well, so like what I would suggest is, and this is where TRI screeners just kill it, is, Canada and Australia, of course, are major commodity countries. So we want to scroll down and we want to look for, bullish key reversals in things like gold stocks. And what I thought was really interesting was, Canadian key reversals, 11/21. There was a signal in Ivanhoe Mines, IVN, in Canada. So that's a bullish key reversal, and that's got to be happening right about now. That was Monday. So that's a mining stock. And I would just simply keep your eyes peeled. Cisco, pull up this one. This one's beautiful. OSK in Canada. This key reversal signal came in at the very end of September, believe it or not. So, boom, look at that beautiful key reversal. Can everybody see that? Whoops, go back to your weekly chart there. Right, weekly key reversal. Look at that.
Right here, right there.
Yeah, but pull up the RSI. That's going to make you crap your pants.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So can you draw your downtrend line on your RSI? And where did the market spit out buy signal? Brian and his RSIs, he's big on the second W coming in. So you can see the first W stopped the bear. The second W comes in right there, like literally. And that's a key reversal bar. And what letter of the alphabet is that right there?
W.
I mean, are you here? Are you here, people? Are you here to make money from trading? It's up to you. I mean, that's about as bread and butter, an outside upside key reversal, double bottom breakout, RSI, second W through the 50 line. Let's go make some money from trading.